Hey friends, today on Due to the Travel Bug, we're spending the day in Old San Juan, Puerto Rico, and we are showing you the best way to explore this muy bonita port of call, and it involves hitting up where Puerto Rico's national drink was invented, the Pina Colada. Old San Juan is located on the island of Puerto Rico in the Caribbean. Old San Juan is a special place for me and Mr. Travel Bug because we were married here in this beautiful and historic city, and we're excited to visit for the day as one of our cruise ship stops. Now, you know our family loves a good shore excursion, but if you're burnt out on organized fun, Old San Juan is easy, fun, and safe to do on your own. You can also skip the taxis. Old San Juan is a walkable city dripping with history and culture. A great place to start your walking tour is El Morro, the largest fortification on the island, built by the Spaniards in the 16th century, designed to protect the city from attacks made by sea. We then head down to the El Convento for a walk down memory lane. The old convent turned luxury boutique hotel is where Mr. Travel Bug and I got married. So this is the ballroom. We did not get married here. We got married in the courtyard. But when we were here, there were very important people, maybe some Caribbean drug lords, I don't know. They were extremely important and they were having a huge wedding. And funny story, J-Lo and Mark Anthony were across the street filming the church that's across the street from here, and they shut down production so that it wouldn't disturb this wedding. So J-Lo didn't know it, but she was also not disturbing mine. So thank you, J-Lo. Our reception was held across the street at one of the most iconic dive bars in the Caribbean. Sadly, they're not open yet, and so we'll have to hit them up later. Now, while in Old San Juan, we recommend not going back to the ship for lunch. This city of colorful buildings is also known for its colorful and delicious cuisine. Barrachina is a great option for traditional Puerto Rican food, and it also claims to be the birthplace of the famous tropical drink, the Pina Colada. Cheers! What do you think? Is it pretty good? So Barrachina claims to be the inventor of the Pina Colada. Not sure if they are or not. There is a hotel on the island that may be the inventor. So that's up for debate. What's not up for debate is they're absolutely delicious. Lots of rum, lots of pineapple, a lot of sweetened condensed milk. It's the real deal. Called mafango. It's the national dish of Puerto Rico. Can you say mafango? Mafango. Viva. Look what Daddy got. Later, we go and visit our other favorite hotel on the island, the Gallery Inn. This boutique hotel is a living masterpiece. When you're here, you enter a world of old world charm, ocean breezes, and art. And too soon, it's time to head back. I wonder if Old San Juan is gonna miss me too.
For more unique travel shows, like and subscribe to see where Doodle Bug goes next.